Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10th Hindi chapter 1, that's the Barste Badal. Okay, in this we are going to see the notes. In this one you can say the important question whatever in this, according to its notes only, this the question answer and some important questions also given in this one. So let's see this here. Okay, if you want to search all the other notes, so you can go to the our channel, otherwise in playlist you can click and you can check out from the right. So let's see this one and go ahead, and here you can see this all those type of things here, right? So let's see this next one. I hope whatever in this one everything is clear for you. If you are looking for the previous year question paper, model paper of any subjects, just go to our playlist and you can get there, right? So I hope in this everything is clear and you don't have any kinds of doubt regarding this one and something else from here. Okay, so we will meet our next video. Jai Hind.